Okay, so you read the title right. I found a troll that literally makes it so that the person who's getting trolled cannot do anything to stop it. It's insane. And all you have to do is 2 simple steps. Get the harpoon onto someone, then press that button. That's all. I'll be showing you how to make this. Welcome back to another video. Remember to like and subscribe because, oh yeah, a lot of YouTubers just, you know what I mean. But this is sort of, I'm going to be showing you how it works. I didn't come up with this glitch. I will link the person who did in the description. But, so let's just, I'm going to show you sort of a demonstration of what it does. Because you don't have to shape it the same way I do. So I'm just going to start off here. Well, I'm just going to make 3 platforms. Then it's going to be like a train of flying objects. There. And yes, I did create this on mobile, so it's possible on any device. Okay, the platforms are made. Now we just need the harpoons, which are there. Okay, I have 3 dragon harpoons, which come in handy when you're trying to get someone. But you want to place them right exactly behind each other, like that, so that the tips of the harpoons are touching. And then you want to latch the other harpoon onto anything, an object, a person. And then you can do that to as many things as you want. And then all I have to do right now is delete all the poles that are holding them up, unanchor it, and then it would fly if I made the front two harpoons go. So let's get the button, color it, and then you'll see it will fly. Now I'll just paint them like brown. And then once I press this, it's flying. And you can do that with anything. And I just made it smaller and like pretty much my version is what I showed you before in the first clip. And I will show you some successful and unsuccessful, did I just say that wrong? Unsuccessful versions of me trying to troll someone. So, I'm going to try to get this guy, the red team. Let's see. Wait, what happened? Did I just barely miss him? It just made a figure 8. Hopefully he's not, okay, he's not AFK, but maybe I can still get him. Okay, he might anchor me, but why isn't this working? Oh, yeah, he did. Okay, well, what do I do now? I can't fly. Okay. Maybe we can, oh, he's in the plane. Wait, what if he sets off and we can make the plane fly into the wrong direction or whatever? That would be funny. So we can get here and hope that he just launches his boat. Then we can make him fly. That would be fun. Okay, let's just, oh yeah, I forgot isolation existed. This next part of the video has my friend Space Zuka in it, so here we go. Well, this isn't really working. None of the people I had tried to troll, it hasn't worked. Oh, my friend Space Zuka has joined. Hello, you can join my team. Wait. Maybe I could do this to him. That would be interesting. Oh, what just happened? It glitched or something. Okay. Hello over there. Well. Okay. I'm sorry. But that was successful. Okay. There we go. 'Tis working. I've just dragging him around a lot. I think you can even drag him up if you face it up, and then, yeah, like that. Cool. Well, I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this. Do it.